Hey guys, we've all had a bad day at work, bad day in the field, and hurt our fingers, and specifically the fingernail. Now this video is a little off subject of the outdoors, but in the same note, it's a natural thing that happens. We've all hit our thumb with a hammer or stubbed our toe and hurt our nail. Just wanted to throw a quick video out there. One of the guys at work hurt himself, hurt his finger, smashed it, and underneath the nail blood began to form, as we've all seen. And he was pretty tough, and we did a small video on how to do bloodletting out from underneath your fingernail, toenail, whatever your situation may be. It's a little graphic, but it actually works, and I wanted to show you that it works, and it's actually kind of cool. So check it out. Thanks for being with us. See you next time.